Hey everybody, how's it going? It's me, Esky again. About a couple minutes ago, the FedEx guy dropped this off, and it was another item I won on eBay. Yay! Here it is, a lovely 14-inch Superlectric box fan model, 1475T. And it kind of intrigued me because this might replace that old Lasco that's now 1-speed, but or maybe comparison. I don't know. But quick thing, this is my third Superlectric box fan that I've had over the years. The first two, one was that old green which ran but the motor sounded like my truck, about ready to throw a rod. The other one was just butt ugly nasty, so they're both long gone. I bought those at a flea market years ago, but they're long gone. But it's got the lovely 4 blades, and the pictures do not do justice. I mean, look at it. It's clean. There's no rust on the bottom. The camera's not focusing. And pack up the back. I mean, it looks like it hasn't even hardly been used. Don't know if you can see inside the motor, but I mean, it's clean. And no, the slat is not broken because I think they made it that way to put the cord through, because it's rounded off. I think it's nice. Now that I've totally I've rambled on for a little bit, start this up and see what we got. Here's hide. Okay, it's got a startup sound. I love the startup sound. Medium. So I didn't say it's on medium. And there we go. I got spin down time. Like I said, the blades are a little bit out of balance, but not enough to make it worthwhile. I like a little shake once in a while. Cool. I decided to get the back side so we can get a better sound of the startup. Here's high. Medium. And low. I decided for fun we're going to start it off on low. Have it hooked up to the power supply strip, so here's startup on low. oil that, but doesn't seem to be too much of an issue. Well, there it is. A lovely, I forgot to mention the year, but the way it looks, the coloring and stuff, might be early 80s, because it even says, do not use in a window, so had to be early 80s. Maybe mid 80s as compared to the color. If anybody knows, please comment, because I could be wrong.